side of his face.
See? If you cough, he doesn't register that, but if you sniff... I'm sorry, George. Good night, George.